Hi, this is Alexia Dominguez with Smith Dominguez PLLC Law Firm, and today we're going to be talking about domestic violence protective orders. If you're a survivor of domestic violence, you are not alone, and there are laws put into place that can help you take legal action to end the abuse. In order to obtain a domestic violence protective order, also referred to as a restraining order or a 50B order, you must show the court that you and the abuser have or have had a personal relationship and that the abuser has committed at least one act of domestic violence. For purposes of obtaining the order, the abuser has committed an act of domestic violence if he or she has attempted to or intentionally caused bodily injury to you or a minor child in your custody or care, or if the abuser has placed you in fear of serious bodily injury or harassment to the level that you have serious emotional distress, or if they have committed any sexual offense against you. For purposes of obtaining the order, you have a personal relationship if you are current or former spouses, if you share a child, if you are members of the opposite sex that live together or have lived together, if you are current or former house members, if you are in a parent-child relationship or a grandparent-grandchild relationship, or if you are members of the opposite sex that are in a romantic relationship or have been in a romantic relationship. If you are in a same-sex relationship and you are a survivor of domestic violence, you may be able to apply for a 50C order. If a domestic violence protective order is granted, other protections may also be put into place, such as temporary child custody, temporary possession of a vehicle or home, or the abuser may be required to turn in their firearms and ammunition. There is no cost to file for a domestic violence protective order. Domestic violence protective orders are enforceable by law enforcement, so you can report any violation of the order directly to law enforcement, or you can go back to civil court to have the abuser held in civil or criminal contempt. If you have already been granted a domestic violence protective order and it is set to expire soon, you can file a motion to have it renewed. If you have any questions about domestic violence protective orders, please feel free to reach out to us at www.smithdominguez.com.